Hi, this is Tristan for the Motorbike Hut in Sandbach. Just having a quick look at our Herald Classic 400. We have already posted a video out there. One of our followers have asked if we could do a video with the just to hear the sound of the bike. So of course that is no problem. We're always very happy to help. So let's do that for you now. So as I say, this is the Classic 400 from Herald Motor Company. So let's just turn the ignition on. Okay, that's the primer done. Sound really beefy, great sound from the bike. So, but if you'd like any more help, just give us a quick call. Thank you.